guys! Welcome to our channel with the latest video from our Indonesia series. In this video, we will take you through the walking tour of Campuhan Ridge Walk, located in Ubud, Bali. If you are going to spend time in Ubud, then you must do the Campuhan Ridge Walk that is within easy reach of the Ubud city center. It is one of the most beautiful walks in Bali, surrounded by lush ravines and picturesque rice fields, and it is truly spectacular in the late afternoon at sunset, or in the early morning at sunrise when the temperature is milder. If you love lush greenery of spiritual significance with a peaceful ambience, then the Campuhan Ridge Walk is going to be the perfect place for you to enjoy during your Bali vacation. Here's what you need to know about the Campuhan Ridge Walk before you plan a trip to see it. The Campuhan Ridge Walk is one of the most popular natural trails in Bali among hikers and nature lovers, with scenic trek along a ridgeline above a beautiful lush and green valley below. It is about 2 kilometers long in length between Jalan Raya Ubud and the north end of the trail that nearly everyone can tackle. You'll start off the hike at the meeting point of the Wos rivers by the historic core of this charming Bali town. It begins near the Pura Gunung Lebah temple and then follows a fully paved and quite flat path up and along the ridgeline, making it convenient for families and those looking for leisurely walks away from the busy streets of Ubud. One thing you should know is that the Campuhan Ridge Walk is simply a country walk. You are not in any rush to complete it. You can take as long as you need to finish the walk and stop as many times along the way as you like. There is no official fee to walk any part of the Campuhan Ridge Walk. If anybody asks you for money, they are scamming you. The path passes through the local rice fields alongside palm trees and tropical plants. The trail was fairly overgrown with grass during our recent walk. From one end to the other, you can walk the ridgeline in about 30 minutes if you're walking at a steady pace. However, we'd spend more time than that as we like the views and taking photos as we go. Perhaps an hour is enough. Then, you've got to go back again, and that will take another 30 to 60 minutes. So, overall, you can take 1 to 2 hours to complete the Campuhan Ridge Walk. If you are moderately fit, you can easily manage the Campuhan Ridge Walk even with just a basic level of fitness. We recommend that you wear comfortable shoes with some grip and take some water to stay hydrated. It is also important to use sunscreen. Wear a sun hat and sunglasses too to avoid burning. It gets very hot in Bali, and sunburn can be very unpleasant. At the north end of the walk, there are a few cafes and coffee shops if you fancy a rest break before heading back to the city center, returning the same way you came. Stop along the way to take in the views and recharge with some coffee. After the hike, don't miss Ubud's vibrant city center, where you can shop for handicrafts and visit ancient landmarks,